Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to be showing us how to install Python extensions in VS Code. So first of all, you go to the extensions area, then you click it, then you type Python, then enter. Now these are all the extensions needed for Python, so just make sure you install the things I'm going to install now. So first of all, Python, you install it, then Python debugger, installing, also Python environment, installing. So when you install, click on install Python, the first one, Python debugger and Python environment will automatically start installing also. Then you can also install this one, it is needed. I advise you that any extension that you see related to Python, just install it. It's going to be very good when you have everything you need. So install Python indents also, but install. So the three most important ones, sorry, is Python, which will also install Python debugger and Python environment. Then you can install Python extension pack. This one already includes what we've installed before already, so yeah, I don't think it's necessary. It's not necessary. Then Python extended, you can install all these ones if you want, but the ones that is needed and necessary is just these first three. The other ones are not needed. Even Python indent is not also needed, right? But I just installed it. So if you feel like you want to install every other thing here related to Python, then it's okay. But the first three are the most important ones, the ones that have Microsoft verification over there. And once you just install the first one, Python, the other two automatically start installing, right? So they are all installed. So let's see if our extension is going to work, whether our extensions are going to work. So let's write a code file, new text file, then select language, then you click on, you search Python, then you click on it. So as you can see down there, activating extensions, and here also we can see Python. So let's write the simplest code ever. Print, then brackets, in a string, hello, then yeah, hello world. So that's it. Then we gonna run it. The shortcut for running a code is F5 in case you need it. Then start debugging, and this is going to prompt us to save our code, and I'm gonna save it untitled, wherever, save. So you see this pop up and you select Python debugger suggested, then Python file, the first one, debug the currently active Python file, click on it, then you click on, yeah, that's it. So let's see if it is working. Yeah, it's working. So as you can see, hello world. So thank you guys for watching this video. We have successfully installed Python extensions in VS Code, and we just wrote a code to check it out if it's going to work, and it's working. So thank you guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Peace out guys.